Hi Sewing Bees, I'm Sookie and I have been helping sewists master their serger for over 25 years. I even wrote the Pocket Guide to Sergers, which is a super handy little book that explains everything in plain language, making serging simple, easy to understand, and to be quite honest, fun. So if you're ready to make 2025 the year you finally conquer your serger, I've got just the thing to help you get started. I've got a free download which is packed with tips and tools to prepare you for a successful year of serging. Just follow the link in the description. And remember, a serger isn't just for finishing the edges of fabric. It's an incredibly versatile tool that can create beautiful seams, add decorative touches, and believe it or not, even construct entire projects. Together, we'll unlock everything your serger can do. I'll guide you every step of the way, I promise. From threading and tensions to beginner-friendly projects that you will actually want to use. We will build your confidence one stitch at a time. Plus, if you ever do need any extra support, I do offer one-on-one serger coaching to help you overcome any of those hurdles. So, if 2025 is your year to finally master your serger, hit that subscribe button, download your free beginner serger guide, and let's get started. And until I see you in the new year, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye.